Remove the laser beds from the laser machine. Move the laser module forward. Use a screwdriver to remove 2 screws on the left frame. Place the Rotary Pro kit, aligning it with locate pins. Use the screwdriver to secure the Rotary Pro kit with the 2 screws. Insert the motor wire end into the socket. There are 2 screws on both sides of the laser module. Rotating them simultaneously to flip the laser module. Rotate them again to secure the laser module. Measure the diameter of the tumbler. Hold one end of the tumbler by one hand and rotate the gears with the other hand to let the claws catch the tumbler. Adjust the chuck using the screwdriver again to ensure a tight grip. Set the height of the wheels. Place the holder under the bottom of the tumbler to hold it. You can use the mini level to test if the tumbler is level or not. Now the tumbler is ready for engraving. Open Make It and switch to laser cylindrical mode. Put in the perimeter of the tumbler. Go to Settings and turn off non-working area. Import the design, adjust the position and scale of the design. You may select material from the list and choose the parameters settings you like. Click on 3D Preview to get a preview of the design. Click on Start, send the project. Close the lid. Press Start button. The laser will start engraving.